Here's home for 3 days. Nice views, sheep everywhere, occasional cow. It's very, very airy. Bedroom's up there somewhere. You got your fire pit. It's not a fire pit. You've got your log burner thing. A whole host of motorcycle equipment just strewn everywhere. Bathroom. Kitchen. It's all very nicely, all very airy and stuff. And got the bike's up there. Keep an eye on that. Cow's rubbing up against it or something. Yeah, nice little gaff. Just gonna get ready to go out. Charge all the things. Make sure I've got all the essentials like midgie nets. Yeah, we might do the Applecross pass today and see where it takes us after that. I think I took the locks off. We are moving for now. Off we go then. It's Applecross time. Oh, even this road is just lovely. Don't have to go anywhere else. Yeah. Oh, I cannot get over the weather, man. There's got to be a catch. Cakes, yeah. Food. This road is just not straight at all. Lovely. Wow. Wow. We've not even made it to Applecross yet and I'm in heaven. Yeah, it looks like we're just following the railway the whole way. Tourist Information Centre. I might need that. How do I become a resident? Let me live here. Oh. So we've come round there. And now we're on the other side. Oh, it's a good place to stop, isn't it, here, actually? Beautiful blues and greens, and we're adding to the green. It's fantastic. Wow. What is this place? Can't take my eyes off that. Oh. Oh, it must be ace, to be fair, coming down on a push bike. Yeah. I'd be taking my push bike up to the top and get on the push bike, just come down, and somebody else can drive the van back down and I'll just meet them at the bottom. That'd be excellent. Wow. Just puts everything into perspective. It's paradise. It's heaven. This is heaven. It's got to be. Am I dead? What? It's just... We're not even like up the top. This is just insane. This is just mad. Wow. So that's what we're heading up. Yeah. gonna have to think of another word. Superb. Mega. Yeah, mega hasn't been used enough on this trip. Mega is now the word. Yeah. Right, hold on to your seat, Becky. Or seat, rather. Yeah, here comes the first tight corner. Fuck. Big heavy bike does little tiny roads. Oh wow. Mega. And another. Wow. Look at that. Time to admire the view. Cool. Applecross kind of done. Gotta go down the other side, but yep. What a day to be up here though, what a day. Yeah, you can see for miles. Excuse you. Oh, sorry, Beck. My turn. It's probably really difficult to pick up on the camera, but there are deer in the water over there. They're probably just going to look like little splodges, but they were running across the field and darted into the water there. That was amazing to see. There's a stag, and I think the rest are either young or females. This place is amazing. It's just amazing. Wow, look at that. What a sight. I mean, right now I don't feel like I'm riding in Scotland. It's just blue seas, 15 degrees. Alright, I know that's not cracking the flags, but it's just amazing. I'm sorry for making everyone jealous, but it's just fantastic. What a time to be in Scotland. Superb. Oh, wow. Wow. What? Would you believe that I've only done 22 miles since I filled up with petrol? That's it, 22 miles, and it's felt like forever. Not in a bad way, but you just, yeah, you don't make a lot of ground. This is a steep hill. What a day. What a day it has been. Head home now. Home. Get some beers. Enjoy this beautiful evening. Magic.